Good morning, everybody. All right, we're going to get the heads all assembled. We'll test them for leaks. We'll continue with the mock-up with the intake manifold. And I did get, I cut out some gaskets. I had some cork material. So I got the water pump all mounted. So we will continue on here. I got a time lapse going on the GoPro. We'll get these heads assembled real quick and see if we can continue the mock-up. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, so here's where we're at for this morning as far as the mock-up. Let me I'll show you how this intake lines up. We'll see if we can get that. This might be, I don't know if you can see in there, but yeah. Nothing real bad. I think it's going to work just fine. The only thing I may have to elongate the bolt holes a little bit. May have to, yeah, kind of elongate those a little bit, but let's see if you can see down in there for the port alignment. That's not a good one. Not much on the top, a little bit. That might be the worst offender right there, but it may have to shift over a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna run it as is because I don't want to mill this intake. And we checked, we have 120 thousandths clearance here, so that should seal up fine. And again, yeah, tighten it down. The intake should pull down a little bit more. So we should be good enough to run this. But yeah, I got the new springs installed, not new springs. Got the springs shimmed up, and the new intake valves are in there. Said, yeah, here's where we ended up with our push rod marking. That looks pretty good. This one kind of washed off some, but pretty much right in the middle there. So, and that's with the 6.7 inch. So we'll work on these little bolt holes, and then after work today, and go from there. And then I'm going to leak test all these valves again before we go on. But this is just where we're at with the mock-up today. And I don't think there's enough of I'm not going to worry about that. Tiny little bit of misalignment. That's not a big deal, at least for what we're doing with this manifold. If we switch or get a different manifold, we'll line it up fully proper, but that's where we're at for today. All right, guys, thank you.